In 30 seconds, let's master the 3 trigonometric ratios. Pick a reference angle theta. Name the sides, then use cah TOA. Name the sides with respect to theta, opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Then the ratios are sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Quick example on a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So sine theta is 4 over 5, cosine theta is 3 over 5, and tangent theta is 4 over 3. That's it. Pick theta, label opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse, then apply cah TOA